Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another video for y'all. Now check this out. On this video, we going over how to rank your video in YouTube search, how to pick keywords for your YouTube videos, and just the proper research when it comes to choosing keywords for your YouTube videos. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for Yon World. Now, on this video, we going over keyword research on YouTube. Now, how you should look at YouTube as we getting older and YouTube is becoming more known to people as a source of income. We have to look at YouTube, the platform, as a way to make money, as a business. And the thing that no YouTuber really talks about is the fact that YouTube is a big search engine. People, just as they go on Google looking for things, they go on YouTube looking for help, how to do this, how to do that. And it's a whole different crowd. Like, you don't have to be on YouTube. When I first started YouTube, I thought you had to do pranks. I thought you had to, record your daily life and vlog, and that's not the case. It's a whole different audience out here that pays way more for your time and your effort. And this comes with the proper research. This comes with the proper knowledge of YouTube, just understanding it as a search engine, using it as a business, as a search engine, like making searchable content. You don't necessarily have to make, lifestyle videos like what you're doing in your day-to-day life, but you can make videos helping people, teaching people, sharing information that could be helpful to somebody. 1 out of every 7 searches on Google, on YouTube, there's no video for. So if you can understand that quote, like 1 out of 7 searches is no video for, and you can find, your lane, and you can find hidden gems and videos that haven't been made yet, it could be the start of a successful YouTube channel. So that was just my introduction, but we about to get into this, like how to find keywords and everything. And I just want to hop straight into it now. When it comes to YouTube videos, you see on my channel, even though I have 21,000 subscribers, I necessarily don't get the amount of views that 21,000 subscribers is supposed to get. And that's because my channel has been rebranded multiple times. When I first started YouTube, I wasn't looking at it as a business. I just uploaded videos, whatever I wanted to do. Anything I saw, anything, I would repost content. But I learned that none of that is good on YouTube. And it's good to create original content, meaningful content, searchable content, and educational content that people can find, helpful content. You can also share your opinion. That's what I do, like on big topics that happen in the news. I always share my opinion on that on my channel, but my channel is really focused around personal development and financial related topics. Now, when it comes to finding keywords, because when we look at my YouTube analytics, now this is for so far in 2020, it's February 9th, but so far in 2020, my channel's received 1.4 million impressions with a 7.5% click-through rate. I got over 149,000 views for that, and 117,000 were unique visitors, unique viewers. So you see my chart over the month. But what I really want to point out is my traffic source. Now, you can see 75% of my traffic came from YouTube search. YouTube has not been promoting me. YouTube recommends your content when you have a high click-through rate and a high watch time. The reason why my watch time isn't as high, because I talk about this in other videos, to make 10-minute videos. Most of my videos, the majority of my videos are 10 minutes or above, and I talk about that. That's for watch time. That's for YouTube purposes, because YouTube shows a certain amount of favoritism toward videos with high watch time and a high click-through rate. They promote them, they recommend your channel. And because my click-through rate is pretty high, like the average click-through rate is about, it's in between 2 to 10% on 50% of the channels on YouTube. So it's pretty high. It can be higher. I want to get it to above 10% this year, and to have my view duration way up, like 7 minutes at least. And I believe that's the sweet spot for YouTube to start recommending your content more and promoting you more. This happened to me last year. When we look at my analytics, let me just show you. Like 17 million impressions, but 42% of that was recommended by YouTube. So when we go into the actual keywords, now you see where my traffic comes from. Last year it said 50% of my traffic came from YouTube search. Right now it's 75%, but what you want to use is Google Keyword Planner. Now, why you want to use Google Keyword Planner? Because this is the approach from the advertiser. Now you see on my back end on YouTube, you see all of these videos are monetized. Now, something that you have to be aware of YouTube, Google, you make money once you're monetized. You make money off the ads, and advertisers go through Google Ads to run ads on your video. You know, whether it's a video ad, whether it's, you know, a text ad or anything, they go through Google Ads. And Google Ads has a feature on there called Keyword Planner, and Keyword Planner allows you to see the monthly searches, the competition, the cost per click. You know, this is what they're bidding on per click. You know, and you know, it can get high, like on a high, like for the keyword YouTube ads, the high end per click is $471. You know, and that's a lot of money. Then this is what happens when you see channels without a lot of views making a lot of money, because the CPM rate is higher. It's really about what you talk about. That's why I emphasize at the beginning of this video to make searchable content. When you make searchable content on YouTube, you really got to think of it as a search engine. You got to think about the long run. You got to think about this video being up for the next 10 years, because it's videos that have been up on YouTube for 10 years. And you know, you got to think about the long game. You got to think about the long run. Every video you make is potentially an asset, because it can give you residual income, you know. So you really have to look at YouTube as a business and make searchable content. But the way to get your keywords is Google Keyword Planner. Now, you can search any keyword, and this is very helpful for videos to see the competition. You see CPA marketing, you see how many searches it's getting, and you see the competition is medium. You see the law of attraction, you know, it's getting 100,000 to 1 million searches a month, and the competition is super low, and you can make money, you know, talking about law of attraction topics. These are just things I talk about. And you know, it also gives you keyword ideas, so it helps you, you know, pick other keywords that, you know, are helpful or that people are searching for. And it's good to be in a high monthly search. If you can find a high monthly search, if you can find a keyword with high monthly search results and a high competition, you'll win. You know, you'll win like that. And that's what you want to make videos around. You know, you want to make videos around that. You can, you know, dial in and make a niche based channel. You know, I recommend that, you know, to start. If you need a focus, if you need, you know, a single ended drive focus, I would recommend just starting a niche based channel. But naturally do what you're inclined to do. You know, do it, make it fun. That's why at the end of the day, my channel is called YON World, and I'm able to upload whatever type of videos I like. I want my following to accept me for that. You know, I don't want to be confined in one niche box, and, you know, come 5 years down the line, I don't want to talk about that. Or, you know, I want to have a variety of content so people, you know, can like me for different reasons. I believe my 21,000 subscribers, they all like me for different reasons. You know, I could post a video about money, some people will like it. You know, I post a video about cookies, 1,000 people like it. I post a video about, you know, Kobe Bryant, thousands of people like it. You know, I post a video about the coronavirus, thousands of people like it. Like, when I talk about media topics on my channel, like media related, anything media in the news related, you know, I get a lot of views. But the thing about it is, when I talk about educational topics, I get paid more. You know, and it's more, and I like it because it's just more substance. Like, it's more, I feel like it's a gift that can keep on giving. Like, somebody can find this video a year from now and just start YouTube and not know about Google Keyword Planner, and just have an edge, you know, because a lot of people, they'll tell you, oh, use TubeBuddy. They'll tell you use vidIQ, you know, but nobody will tell you to use Google Keyword Planner. And this is really using the left and the right brain, because you want to think of it from the point of view of the advertiser, and you want to think of it from the point of view as the creator. So, you know, they're going to be running ads on your videos. If they can get specific about what channels they want to run ads on, you can get specific about what videos you create, so you can have certain ads playing on your video. So, you know, just approach YouTube in a smarter, more business-like direction and sense. I hope everybody out there be successful in 2020. Now, it's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.